Hello, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of groundbreaking scientific theories that have forever changed the way we understand our universe. And we'll do it all in just 5 minutes. Ready? Let's go. The heliocentric theory. First up, we have the heliocentric theory by Nicholas Copernicus. This idea was revolutionary because it proposed that the sun, not the Earth, is at the center of the universe. Before this, people believed in the geocentric model, where the Earth was thought to be the center. Copernicus's theory changed how we understand our place in space. This shift was important for modern astronomy. By placing the sun at the center, it explained the movement of planets more accurately. Even though it was controversial at the time, the heliocentric theory laid the groundwork for future scientists like Galileo and Kepler to make further discoveries. Newton's law of universal gravitation. Sir Isaac Newton introduced the law of universal gravitation. This law says that every mass attracts every other mass in the universe. This means that everything with mass, like planets and stars, pulls on everything else with mass. Newton's theory helped explain how planets move in space. It showed that the same force making an apple fall from a tree also keeps the planets in their orbits around the sun. This law was very important because it laid the foundation for classical mechanics, which is the study of how objects move. Newton's work has had a huge impact on science and our understanding of the universe. Theory of evolution by natural selection. Charles Darwin's theory of evolution by natural selection says that species change over time. According to this theory, animals and plants that are better suited to their environment survive and have more babies. These babies inherit the good traits, and over many generations, these traits become common in the population. This process is called natural selection. Darwin's theory was very important because it changed how we think about biology and the origins of life. Before this, many people believed that species were fixed and did not change. Darwin showed that all life on Earth is connected and has changed over time. This theory helps us understand why there are so many different kinds of living things and how they adapt to their environments. The germ theory of disease. The germ theory of disease was proposed by Louis Pasteur and Robert Koch. This theory says that tiny living things called microorganisms cause many diseases. Before this theory, people did not know what caused illnesses. They had many wrong ideas about disease. Pasteur and Koch showed that bacteria and viruses can make us sick. This discovery changed medicine in a big way. Thanks to the germ theory, scientists could develop vaccines to prevent diseases and antibiotics to treat infections. This means we can now protect ourselves from many serious illnesses. The germ theory of disease has saved many lives and continues to be very important in medicine today. Einstein's theory of relativity. Albert Einstein's theory of relativity changed how we see space, time, and energy. One important part is the equation EMC2. This equation shows that energy ρ and mass m are connected. It means that even a small amount of mass can create a lot of energy. Einstein's theory made big discoveries in physics. It showed that space and time are connected and can bend. This explains how gravity works. For example, planets move around the sun because of the way space bends around it. Einstein's ideas also led to new technologies like GPS, which uses relativity to work accurately. In cosmology, the study of the universe, his theory helps us understand things like black holes and the Big Bang. Einstein's theory of relativity is one of the most important ideas in science and has changed our view of the universe. Quantum mechanics, developed by scientists such as Max Planck and Niels Bohr, explains how tiny particles behave at the atomic and subatomic levels. This theory showed that these particles, like electrons and photons, do not always behave like larger objects. They can act like waves or particles, depending on the situation. Quantum mechanics also introduced the idea of uncertainty, where we cannot know both the exact position and speed of a particle at the same time. This theory has led to many new technologies. For example, semiconductors used in computers and smartphones rely on quantum principles. Quantum mechanics also inspires new ideas like quantum computing, which could solve problems much faster than regular computers. Overall, quantum mechanics has changed our understanding of the smallest parts of the universe and continues to drive innovation in technology. Plate tectonics. The theory of plate tectonics explains how Earth's outer shell, called the lithosphere, is divided into large pieces called plates. These plates float on the semi-fluid layer below, known as the asthenosphere. Plate movements are responsible for various geological phenomena like earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and the formation of mountains. For example, when plates collide, they can push up mountains like the Himalayas. Plate tectonics has been crucial in understanding these processes and predicting natural disasters. It's a fundamental theory in geology that helps explain Earth's dynamic surface and how it has changed over millions of years. The Big Bang Theory. The Big Bang Theory explains how the universe began. It was proposed by Georges Lemaitre and later developed by scientists like Edwin Hubble. According to this theory, the universe started from an extremely hot and dense state known as a singularity. This singularity exploded and began expanding rapidly, creating space and time as we know them today. The Big Bang Theory also predicts that the universe continues to expand, with galaxies moving away from each other. Evidence like the cosmic microwave background radiation supports this idea. This theory revolutionized our understanding of the cosmos, providing a framework for studying the universe's origins and evolution. DNA. James Watson and Francis Crick discovered the double helix structure of DNA. This breakthrough revealed the genetic code that guides all life. Understanding DNA has transformed genetics, medicine, and biotechnology. It allows scientists to study how traits are inherited and how diseases develop. DNA technology has led to advancements like gene therapy and genetic engineering, benefiting fields from agriculture to healthcare. Climate change. Climate change theory, influenced by the greenhouse effect, explains how human actions affect Earth's climate. The greenhouse effect occurs when gases like carbon dioxide trap heat in the atmosphere, leading to global warming. This theory helps us understand why temperatures are rising, causing impacts such as melting ice caps, more intense storms, and shifts in ecosystems. It's essential for addressing environmental challenges and developing strategies to reduce greenhouse gas emissions for a sustainable future. And there you have it, 10 scientific theories that have dramatically changed our world, all in just 5 minutes. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fascinating content. Thanks for watching.